Good evening, it's Tony again from Paranormal Investigation UK. Continuing with some footage, this is the seventh video review of today, which is the 29th of December. We're now moved on to the 17th of December footage, and this is timed at 01:18. Between the 14th, 15th and 16th there will probably be about a dozen or so CCTV alarms. During the morning of the 17th, this is the first one, so it seems to be continuing. What we're watching out for is if any sort of pattern of this recycling process that we experienced before, 10-day periods of activity, then 2 or 3 days of nothing. So we'll see how where this one takes us. What we are experiencing is unexplained rapping sounds together with some bowel movement, which hasn't happened since the 15th of December. We're now on the 17th, early hours. Let's see where this one's going to take us. I'm not using any volume at all. I can lift it up a little bit on this one, so let's see where this one will go. Right, this is 1:20 in the morning. These offices are just used during the day. They should be completely devoid of human activity. We've still got cameras on the windows monitoring the outside of the building. Well, it sounds like a couple of raps followed by like movement. There is a hallway here. There's a filing cabinet. Just to the left hand side there's a door which takes you through a hallway, and it's the only entrance out of this office. There's a camera in there. Anyone comes through here, that camera picks it up. The reason why it's there. There's a camera on there monitoring the outside of the building and so on, and one in the roof space as well. So what is that? Like 2 raps by I'm not so sure about the shuffling sound. Maybe because I've increased the volume. We'll go listen to it all the way through and watch it, see if there's anything else there. We've not had anything visual on here for some time. It's all been audible. The only visual stuff we've had really is the trick objects lighting up. I think we need to be aware of the time of year, building cooling down and so on. Getting quite cold now in the UK. Okay. I'm just going to turn the volume down to normal, and we'll look at the frequency now, what that's doing, what that's going to give us. It's a similar sound as before. Almost as if tapping a glass. There's quite a lot of glass here. It's a 2 seconds, so that's what's triggered the camera alert. So it must be loud enough for that. I have noticed over the last few days that the volume of these raps are increasing. Okay. quite a big spread of frequency. I'm just not sure with that one. I'm going to take a screenshot of the frequency anyway. This helps us to build up a picture, or a bigger picture of what exactly is taking place there. I like the stuff at the moment. It's just a simple question of recording. Get as much information off it as you can. Screenshot the frequency, make sure nothing else is there, and just record it. That's the only thing we can do with that. Okay, nice quick review. I'm just not sure with some of these rap sounds that we're getting. It sounds very glass-like tapping sort of sound, and there is quite a lot. Oh, this is glass, frontage, door, windows, a lot of glass here. Okay, so we'll record that down, and I'll see you on the next movie.